Have you ever wondered how videographers, YouTubers, and filmmakers get their drone shots to look cinematic? In this video, we're going to look for a few techniques that will help you accomplish it. And also some simple shots that you can do with almost any drone. What's going on? Scott with Scott's Journeys here, and you are watching simple cinematic shots that you can do with almost any drone. So first, let's take a look at those shots, and then we'll come back and we'll talk about how we made them. So before we get started talking about how to shoot these shots, let me give you a couple of technical tips that will help you make your drone footage cinematic. One is to slow it down. Slow footage comes out better, it's more cinematic, it's prettier, just looks better. When you're moving around at Mach 10 filming, things can be blurred, shaky, and distorted. The better footage, I think, comes from the slower shots. So slow it down. Another thing that you can do is in your editing. When you are editing your drone footage, if you come across a spot that is shaky, tilty, bad, cut that out, don't use it. I made this mistake plenty of times, but all you really want to go for are these short 5, 8, 10-second clips that are smooth, perfect shots, and you can use those clips, insert them in your vlogs. If you want to reveal a location or put you in a location from a bird's eye view, that's the best way to use the drone shots, and they come out really cinematic when you shoot them like that. Short clips, they don't have to be real long. So let's talk about the shots themselves. The first one that I showed you was the reveal. Now there are many types of reveal shots that you can do. I kind of grouped all the reveals just in this one title, tilt reveal. The tilt reveal, let's look at that one first. That one is when you're flying the drone along and you have the camera pointed down and you slowly raise it to reveal your target of interest. Really cinematic, I like that shot. Now the other types of reveals you can do is, for one, let's say the droning. The droning is a good one where you can focus on a person or a target or something, a building of interest or something of interest, and you slowly back away and raise up from the target, revealing the surroundings of what's going on around. I love that shot. I use it a lot in the vlogs that I did in Cebu with Rose, and those are really cool reveal shots. Another one you can do that I really like is you keep the drone low to the ground. Like in this shot, I was cruising along, it kind of almost looks like we're walking in a drive or a driveway, and then the drone slowly raises up to reveal the surroundings of a beautiful island that we're on with all this water around us. That is a great reveal shot. Another great cinematic shot that you can do is the follow me shot, where that can actually help put you in the location in your vlogs. Have the drone, you can do it a couple of ways, have it following you from behind, or even a side view is cool. The follow me shot is a really good shot to transition you from scene to scene or to open a scene. There's also the two-way motion shot. That shot is a really beautiful cinematic shot that a lot of motion picture companies use to open up their movies. That's when you're flying the drone along in one direction and slowly move it or pan it in another direction. Kind of gives you a multiple direction look at your target or what you're trying to reveal. All right, we're getting to one of my favorite shots that I love to do. As a matter of fact, I made a video on this shot recently. It's called the top down. I love the top down drone shot because there is no other way, hardly, unless you have a helicopter, to get this type of dramatic shot. It is literally a bird's eye view of what's going on down below. As a matter of fact, some people call it the bird's eye view shot. I like the top down shot. That's what we call it here at Scott's Journeys. But the top down shot is, you're just basically up high, filming straight down. Really beautiful to reveal the tops of the trees. You could use this as a reveal shot. Let's say you're just filming along, you want to film an open park area, so you're coming across the water or the tops of the trees and you reveal the subject that you're trying to reveal. Really great shot. I love the top down. I like to use the top down by the beach. I use it to follow the waves sometimes. I love that shot. Another great way to use the top down. Fourth and last shot that I want to touch on in this video is the go big shot. This is where you go big or go home. In this shot, you want to take the drone up really, really high, following all rules and regulations. Don't fly higher than you're supposed to in the class airspace that you're in. Never break any laws, but take the drone up as high as you're legally allowed. Get a big full picture of the beautiful surroundings where you're at. This is what you see a lot of times in movies, the drone flying along slow, revealing the landscape. This is a beautiful shot that you can do with almost any drone. And I think that if you use this in your vlogs, it will definitely help give you a cinematic feel, help your viewers see where you're at, your location. And that's what the best thing about a drone, that's what it does. It sets the location where you're at, gives your viewers a bigger picture of what's going on around you. That's why I love using drones so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. If there were some cinematic shots that you like to do that I left out of this video, put them down in the comments. And if you like this video and you found it useful, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'm Scott with Scott's Journeys, and I will see you in the next video.